For Evergreen Way, here we have multiple factories such as like Thermo, FNet, Pomona. It's our main manufacturing location, whereas Plastics is more of our injection molding site where we do all like the plastic molding for our hard cases, soft cases.
We're using eMaint across 3 sites or 3 different functional groups. So we have our facilities team, our Evergreen Way and Plastics team are rolled into one, and then there's a factory over at Fluke Park that also uses it.
It's our main platform of ordering inventory. And it's our main database. It's basically like a one-stop hub for me, as well as our maintenance techs and even other administrators in our system, to see where we're at in terms of our parts on hand at our facilities. Without eMaint, it'd be a lot more difficult for keeping track of inventory. Because of eMaint, I can check anytime, any day, no matter where I'm at. I can just know for a fact what we have on hand at any location.
eMaint's a crucial part of our maintenance team and all the work they're doing. When they repair a machine, they go and fill out a work order to track that history. For our spare parts usage, we have all of our on-hand parts stored in inventory, so it's easy to go see what we have on hand. And then when something breaks down on the floor and our teams address it, if there's a part they need, they can go to eMaint, take a look, make sure we have it, and then charge it out to the work order once they complete the work.
Cost savings, because we already have the items saved in a system, like in our database, I can easily just go to eMaint, see the asset number, and see the actual cost of the item and just order it. Whereas if I didn't know where to look, me or someone else would have to spend time looking online, calling up vendors, and now we're spending money on overhead costs just for looking to buy the part. I guess that would also play into a time-saving standpoint as well. I would say anywhere between an extra 10 to 20 hours, honestly, from looking online, having to call up vendors, things like that. Also just sending out quotes as well. A lot of times working with suppliers, it can be a shot in the dark in terms of like your time and how much you're spending reaching out for pricing. And when you know that for a fact you already have a set supplier of where to order the part, it could be a matter of, you know, a 10-minute conversation with that vendor versus spending an hour shooting multiple emails and endless phone calls to other vendors, hoping someone gets back to you, or comparing pricing.
It's a crucial piece to our CAR process, at least for operations. We can go in, take a look at number of machines and how often they're breaking down, and then track the labor hours associated with repairs on those machines. So we can create a chart that essentially shows all of our machines, and then do a Pareto bar graph showing these are the machines that our maintenance team is spending the most time repairing. My favorite thing about eMaint is the ability to do all the customization in it. Being able to really form the forms and the fields how you need them for your operation is definitely going to make it easier for our team. Really been beneficial just to make the speed of entering work orders a lot easier for our guys.
My favorite thing about using eMaint is the customization, especially with what we're doing with X5 in the future. It would be really awesome to see how we can implement things we've done outside of eMaint and how we can bring it into the eMaint platform, especially X5, so that we can make it a one-stop shop for not just what we do for ordering maintenance parts or for work orders, but other things as well, tracking machine downtime, having a more sophisticated system for recording like Oracle POs, things like that. And I'm very excited for what we can do with X5.